Hi there. So I'm going through the issue that I have with OneDrive and syncing. So firstly, I can't, Steps Recorder won't work for me. That's an issue in itself, but that's not OneDrive. I click on it, nothing comes up, so I can't use Steps Recorder. Um, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, so the issue is for example, I have my files here. This is OneDrive on the browser, and this is our OneDrive locally. So Lubelska, same thing. Um, so here, now the problem is that we both have this folder is shared. Yeah, manage access. We both have it. Charles Harry at iCloud and me, Lubelska Limited at outlook.co.com. But the problem is if I add a document in here or I edit a document, it won't. Charles Charles Howie Charles Howie iCloud will not see the edited document or a new document. Now that's the same in the browser as it is locally here. So if I add anything here, it won't. But as you can see, it is a shared folder. And here, that's not a shared folder. Uh, but Lubelska is a shared folder, and yet it's not syncing. And here, it's also not syncing. So we can see that uh, settings. So here, that's my account, Lubelska Limited. Yeah, so that's the problem.